me show you something about my plants that I took care for these past months. That's why I don't have vlog. So this is the reason of my busyness. Now I'm going to show you guys about my lovely plants that I put effort on it. So watch this. I have this plant. This is called peace lilies. As you can see, it's a really nice plant and it was given my co-workers. So it was a gift from my co-worker. Guys, I have here my orchid. So as you can see now, I bought this orchid long time ago and now they are flowering again. And also I have this called Daisy Gerbera. I have red and I also have this yellow orange color. I like it because like really beautiful color. Of course guys, I have here my anthurium. So look, she's looking really healthy because I gave her fertilizer and I'm taking her every day. And these are the big effort. As you can see guys, those plants are lilies. So we call them Asiatic and Oriental lilies. And now look, they are flowering now guys, finally. Now there's like a flower buds. So I planted this 2 months ago. And this is what I've got. So this one, she already have flower. She started to flower now. So most of them is flowering. And also I have this rose here. It's also a gift. So I have here my zebra calathea. So I have here my calia. So I have calia lily. I have here the bamboo orchid. Plus of course, this one is also a gift from a friend, from a co-worker. This thorium pigtail. This one is dragon plant, or they also call this is a money plant. As you can see, she's really healthy. Also this one. This is the balcony guys. I have here also the, how you call it, gladiola. I have gladiolas here. Yeah. And of course I also have white pelargonium here. Plus I have my pink pelargonium. Guys, I have my strawberries. They are looking really healthy. I have here my carrot. And in my little greenhouse I have tomatoes, plus I have also some growing plants in there. So yes guys, that's are my plants and they're growing really healthy. And soon or maybe one day I want to have a big garden, or it's like small house with big garden, because I really wanted to plant a lot of vegetable and flowering plants, because it makes you joy, it makes you really happy. Plus I really love them guys.